Let's take a look at the Lipower Solid-State Group 24 battery. This is the unit they sent me for review. This is a true solid-state battery, not semi-solid. It is designed to be much lighter, perform better in cold weather, and be safer than traditional AGM or regular lithium batteries. First impression out of the box, it feels very well built and premium. This battery is so light, I can lift it up in one hand. Okay, let's check the weight of this. So we have 16.6 pounds. According to the specs, it is 8 kilograms. Now I see the rated voltage is 12.8 volt and a 60 amp-hour. Let's check the current voltage. We got 13.2. Okay, first thing, I'm going to charge up this battery to 100%. Right now it is not fully charged. Let's take it off. It's cold plated, looks nice. Let's see what's the voltage now. We have 13.2 volts right now. 13.2. Let's hook it up. That's the positive. That's the negative. Okay, it's red lights charging. Almost 20 amp. I'll let it run until it's fully charged and come back later. Okay, it's fully charged. I can remove it now. We got 13.9 volts. So before I install it in my car, I'm going to check the actual capacity of the battery. According to the specs, this is a 60 amp-hour or 768 watt-hour battery. Let's find out. Okay, the battery is 100% fully charged. Let's check out the real capacity. Now it's 13.9 volt. I'll come back later when it is done. Okay, we have completed the capacity test. Let's check out the numbers. We have 62 amp-hour versus 60 in the specs, so which is roughly 3% higher than the specs. As far as watt-hour, you got 782 versus 768 in the spec. The battery now is 100% charged. The biggest concern is how good it is when it is cold. So we'll put it in the Iceco freezer overnight and then we'll test it tomorrow. I have the Iceco now down to 20 Fahrenheit. Here we go. We'll leave it overnight and then we test it tomorrow. Okay, this is my existing Toyota Sienna. It's got a V6 engine. Let's start it up. Ready? Let's try it again. All right. Let's replace it with the solid-state battery. Okay, removing the old battery. It's a little bit rusty. Let me put some WD-40 maybe. Oh. Okay. That's a heavy. Ooh. Let's see how much it weighs. 40 pounds. That's what the existing battery weighs. All right. Let's install this. Let's compare the new and the old. It's slightly smaller actually. Let me put this back. You can see it's about 10 inches. This one it's about 10 inches, the same. 8 inches, pretty close to 8 inches. So they should be compatible, same size. I want to clean the terminal because it's wet. So if you turn it around, you got a positive, positive, minus, minus. So there should be no problem installing this since it is so light. All right, put that in. Okay, it's not going anywhere. All right, let's start the engine. Okay, moment of truth. How good is it? 3, 2, 1. All right, it does stop. Let's stop it. Let's try again. No problem. Even after 3 days in the freezer. Stop. Start again. Again. No problem. Excellent. So I will keep it installed in the car and see what happens. I'll let you know in a few weeks. As far as installation, it is much easier than the old one because it's smaller and lighter. So after 1 week with the Lipower Solid-State battery in my 2019 Sienna, here's my honest wrap up. I'm pretty impressed so far. It is dramatically lighter than my old Costco battery, easy to install and has nice premium looking terminals. Let's start again. Again. So the start-stop performance is fantastic. After the test I showed earlier and a full week of normal driving, I've had 0 issues, strong starts and stable power. That said, it is still summer right now. A full winter with real cold starts and longer periods of sitting will give a much better picture of its long-term performance. Since this battery is relatively new with limited real-world history, I can't give it a full 100% recommendation yet. At $325 on Amazon, it's a premium option. You are paying for the weight saving and solid-state technology. Will I buy it with my own money? Right now I'm leaning yes, but I want to see how it handles winter first. What about you? Would you buy this battery at this price? Have you tried any lightweight or solid-state battery before? Let me know in the comments. If you want to try one, I have a discount code for you down below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.